In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel auto payment subscriptions on the Google Play Store. Let's start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is the same app you use to download games, apps, movies, and books. Make sure you're connected to the internet and just tap the Play Store icon to launch it. If you have multiple Google accounts on your device, check that you're signed in with the account that's actually paying for the subscription you want to cancel, because subscriptions are always tied to a specific Google account. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This might be your initial, a photo, or a simple avatar. Tapping that will open a small menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google keeps everything related to your purchases, payment methods, and active subscriptions. Inside Payments and Subscriptions, tap on Subscriptions. Here you'll see a list of all the apps and services you're currently subscribed to through Google Play. Take a moment to scroll through and find the subscription you want to cancel. If you don't see it, double-check that you're on the right Google account, or make sure the subscription was actually set up through Google Play and not directly with the app's website. When you've found the subscription you want to stop, tap on its name. This will open a details page showing information like the next billing date, the amount you're being charged, and your payment method. On this screen, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription and tap it. Google will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel. You might also see a question about why you're canceling, or a reminder of what you'll lose access to. Read this carefully so you understand when your current billing period ends, because canceling usually means you'll keep access until that date, but you won't be charged again after that. Once you're sure, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, you should see a message saying that your subscription has been canceled. It's a good idea to go back to the subscriptions list and check that the status for that app now shows an end date instead of an upcoming renewal. That's it. Your auto payment for that subscription is turned off, and you've successfully canceled it through the Google Play Store.